Again, when you are substituting values, okay, just put the number into the algebra, and when you put the number into the algebra, always have a bracket. Okay, so they have told you this equation here. Okay, do not do the equation separately. Do not say that okay, do not do the equation separately. Do not say that maybe something like x over 2y is equals to 1 over 2 this way. Okay, this will make things more complicated, and this it will be called poor presentation, and you can get marks deducted, up to 2 or 3 marks deducted for your paper for poor presentation. Okay, so the way to present is always in this way. 2 bracket 1, because x is 1, y is 4. Now for single digits we don't have to put a bracket, it's fine. So 3z remains over here. Over y is 4 plus 3 bracket 1 equals to 1 over 2 bracket 4. This is the way to present. Alright. Then, so this would be 2 plus 4 and would be 6 minus 3z over denominator would be 7. Okay, equals to 1 over 8. Then at this point, let's apply our cross multiply. The 7 goes to him and 8 goes to him. 8 bracket 6 minus 3z is equals to 7 multiplied by 1, which is still 7. Distribute it. 48 minus 24z equals to 7. Okay, then let's bring the number to the right side. Minus 24z is equals to 7 minus 48. Minus 41 or negative 41. Z is equals to negative 41 divided by negative 24, which will remove both the negative sign. Okay, and that's the answer.